Well, what's happening today?
Well, today's the day.
Turn around.
Which I lose the comfort blanket.
Dun, 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 dun. Sorry, I won't do sound effects.
So what did you want? Did you want me to wash the dishes?
Yes.
Hello! Shoot at me!
Oh no.
Hair is good for household chores. Doing such thing as washing the dishes,
Hey, shoot at me!
scrubbing.
Apples. How am I gonna do this after I get my haircut?
Somebody else will be able to do it for you because you're getting your hair cut. Also, you can microwave your hair. You can microwave yourself. Oh, we're making a movie. Don't say ouch. People need to think that it's fun to do
I said
that.
not ouch, and I said ouch. What? Song stuck in my head.
Dun 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 dun.
Maybe I shouldn't dance.
No dance. That'll be cool.
No.
Da 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 da. We're all in this together. Oh, do like a spin around. That'll be cool. Oh.
I thought, no, this can't be it. This can't be good. And
This can't be it.
I ran inside to your
House or whatever that dog is. Let's get that reaction again, except this time genuine. I did cry myself to sleep every day after I cut my hair.
Oh no! Don't you see? Money won't.
Money won't what?
No.
Christmas?
Don't you see? Hair will never bring me happiness. All I care about is money, jewels.
Nicole is gonna do him today.
Before and after song. Johnny Extremes.
Should I smile?
Yeah, smile. These are for you.
Oh.
She has plenty of herself. Like,
Oh, it's videoing.
I'm videoing too. We'll have 2 copies of that from different angles. We can splice it together and it'll make a good shot.
I'm saying hi.
good job there. It's 14. Oh, it's not.
Yeah. Well, actually, they stopped hiring like the 14.
Oh, but they did hire.
Nicole, look this way.
They did hire 14-year-olds?
They used to hire 12-year-olds.
Oh, are you crying for reals?
But they had money
not crying.
issues before.
I can see.
Nicole wanted to cry, but her mom said no.
Give me a key to the place.
That'd be a
after
good
one
video.
They're like, wait,
They're gonna use some too.
close it up.
This is it.
Don't move.
Or do you just leave it in there?
For them,
She's like, wait.
We're just gonna surprise you.
put it into
Pretend you're asleep. And we'll just come up and be like,
Right hand or left handed?
But if right-handed,
There you go.
you hide the money. But like on Saturday night.
because this is how you do it. You just pick up a strand and
Is that right?
Full strand.
This one makes so
There you
much.
go. Pull it out.
Oh, wow.
but don't snip. Whatever you do, don't
I'm
snip.
not cutting it.
Just remember,
The scrapbook.
hair grows back.
These are pictures.
Well, no. I'm not gonna cut my hair until I get married.
Yeah, I like that.
Like, I'm growing it out. So if that's in 5 years, so be it. No, I can't get married.
This one's for you.
Oh,
This one's yours. I haven't been married for a while.
I can't get married till next summer. I don't know why we're discussing this on this video. Dang it, can I delete that?
The world knew.
Okay. So is anybody else participating or just me?
I don't know.
Let's all like be your conscience. Let's have somebody dressed up like a devil and somebody dressed up like an angel. Nicole, Nicole, Nicole.
That's what we were just
Nicole.
talking about. I
It's gonna be so cute.
I wanted to make sure.
I'm
that
saying
it
this
wasn't-
genuinely, friend
Great.
honest.
The only requirement that I got was that it has to be cut loose, that it can't be bound first.
Oh, really? Really? How are you going to get a hold of it?
Yeah, how do you do that?
Cut loose, lay it on a counter or on her lap, Liz.
What does that mean?
What's the difference?
Why are you so specific?
I don't know.
Sick of them.
Oh, that's on the film.
Whatever. If you send in the raw tape and just...
No, you.
Yeah, we'll have you edit this.
I don't
Yeah,
think
because
you
I'm
want to
guessing
see
it's
Nicole.
okay. You got a pretty hard part there. We'll leave your part there. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Nicole, final. What is your last thing you want to say as a long-haired person?
I'm waiting to get married until my hair gets long again.
That's a long
Nicole, I'm
time.
cutting your hair. So
Okay.
13 Nicole, can I cut some of your
Yes,
hair too?
please.
Oh boy.
If I push this around, she have a big tag sticking out front. Okay.
Which
The
area?
bulk is the easiest part.
The first person. But wait, how do we gather it all back up if it's gonna be? Is that gonna be messy?
If you have a Ziploc bag, what I'm gonna do is just set it on the table there and.
So cute.
Let's see.
Wish they could put me under for this.
Right, are you gonna hold your finger there?
And
Lacey, be careful.
or my finger. You
I'll
just
hold-
tell me where to put my finger.
Okay, Lacey, be careful.
Oh,
Lacey's
that's
like,
why I'm
"Oops."
asking to put his finger now. I'm not
I
gonna
accidentally
do
cut off 4 inches too much.
that. Okay. Here we go.
Okay.
Oh wait.
Hi, Sister Briley.
Now I gotta catch this.
Just like along your finger line.
Sure, right along my finger.
Oh. Oh. Like one of those things your mom would never let you do.
That's fine.
It looks so different. Oh
Not too late. Yes, it is. That's a new style.
Below or
It's not too short, right?
I want to cut a piece off.
There.
right below your fingers. Do you want me to hold the camera?
Yes, please.
I'll hold the camera.
There you go. A year ago today, you were graduating, you guys.
What a good memorial. She cut off all of Nicole's hair.
Wow.
Should we sing Lacey? I've
Uh-oh.
heard it
Uh-oh.
said.
Don't touch.
For the better.
My turn. My turn. Hair. Nicole's hair.
As long as it's not a hairy future.
Just below?
Just below my finger.
Oh, I didn't mean to stab you.
Okay, I've got another hand.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Elise, that's too short.
Sorry, Nicole.
Not funny.
No, not above my finger, below my finger.
I thought you
It's having
said
so much
hold
fun.
the line.
Nicole, you should cut your short every day.
Nicole, you should cut on this too.
I can't. Does it look horrible?
No.
I like it like that. I think you should just leave it like that.
Is it feeling lighter already?
I'm trying not to feel it.
Anyone else?
Oh, I do.
Mom?
Or Mom, you're welcome to as well.
Anna? Anna? I'm just kidding.
She's like, I want no part of this.
Oh, Anna.
But it's cute.
Yo, wait.
Well, they're twinners. We'll look a lot alike now.
Ooh.
Above or below?
Below my fingers.
Below.
Right up to them, though.
Okay.
There you go. You getting all that?
It's gonna be really
Your
cute.
face.
Actually, your eyes are
Get her
popping out
face,
more.
Lacey. It's really funny.
Eyes are popping out more?
I can't see your
I
eyes.
think it will focus more on your eyes.
Oh, I think you're gonna be supermodel material.
Take a picture of me half hair.
Okay.
God.
Are you still recording?
Mandy had like
What did she do
bright
with her
red
hair?
hair, bright red curly
What
hair.
did she do with it?
She just donated it. And it was long too. She donated like 15 inches.
Gosh.
You ready?
Can I see it?
Not yet.
Yeah, don't look at it. Wait until it's styled. Look at it.
That's true too.
Yeah, I don't even want to see it till it's styled.
So right below my finger.
So
Are you cutting it,
Nicole,
Mom?
what's your favorite dessert?
Cookies.
Oh, I'm a big fan of.
Nicole, what's your favorite hair products?
I don't know.
Go on.
If you had a choice between cutting your hair and getting $1 million. Oh, but you're not getting $1 million. Sorry.
No.
Yeah, if you were
Then I would wish for long hair.
I was waiting for that.
$1 million.
That's exactly why I asked that
Really
question.
cute, I really do. I think it looks really fun.
Oh my gosh.
I like the half and half effect.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm always
in
just
fact, I
hacking
think
it
that's
off
one
Nicole.
of
Oh my
my
gosh.
Oh my gosh, that'd be so
It'll be
cool.
so bodyful. We can, with lots of body.
Okay. Do you want to come around this?
Nicole, why don't
Okay,
you
you
cut
know
your
what?
own
This is
hair?
kind of nerve-wracking for you, isn't it?
Just reach around
Yes.
my back and be like,
Look at all that hair. Look at
No.
all of it.
you're just imagining.
It is a lot of hair.
This is just a bad dream.
Oh my gosh.
Nicole, your hair is terribly damaged. Just kidding.
Oh, that's so much hair.
Sorry, I just had to speed things up a little. We can leave that in the video.
That'll be like the first. Nicole! We should make it like a horror film.
We should. That'd be really cool.
Like a horror film?
A slasher.
Oh,
Voila.
it's so cute.
Oh, Nicole.
Does it feel lighter?
I'm not moving my head yet.
Oh, she's fine.
Just leave it like that.
That's really
Don't cut it off.
cute.
Yeah, and that's just the beginning. Ta-da!
Wow.
It's really cute. I like
Now we
it.
just need to cut some style into it, and then...
Static. You know, like Mr. T.
What do you think so far, Mom? Okay, let's pause.
Oh, this real fast. This is so much hair. So much.
That's just the initial.
You want
That. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
Here goes the styling process.
Thank you, Elise.
You guys want to like be together when you're getting ready for your weddings and stuff.
I'll be Mr. T. Mr. T will be there, and he'll say, "Styling for your wedding."
What did you guys get?
You look like a very hot man. Just kidding.
That's what I wanted to hear.
If anybody was a man in this,
I was about to say,
it wouldn't be you.
a lot of bows.
I think that'll help.
Oh,
them homemade.
ribbons.
Just like our mothers did for us.
Or we can get those ones with newborns. You know, you just sort of.
Oh, look at this gently fall. Tresses of
Here,
hair.
do you want to
Tresses down like a waterfall. Does it feel lighter? Just answer me.
I don't know. Like, I guess it's wet now. I don't know. Yeah. I think
Oh, it
it's
was supposed to be considerably different. Just kidding.
considerably different, indeed.
There you go. Good answer. That's better.
I think I'm just like experiencing post-traumatic stress right now. So.
Beautiful.
Thank you,
Just
Anna.
shocked about where life goes.
Sorry, I didn't put your neck there. I'll do that in a second. All I'm doing is getting all these little neck hairs. We like to call them neck beards. They stay tucked underneath.
Nicole has a neck.
Good one. That was actually a really good one.
Thanks.
Your brother?
It's the man
You're
who's.
supposed to act really surprised.
So we should tell him.
Got the better of him.
Lacey, tell him.
We had only money.
Only money from hair.
Okay, we needed a consultation. Just consultation.
The longer the better. That's my consultation.
I like the way it is, actually. It's much better than when I first moved into the ward and it was like to his shoulders.
Yes, it's so long.
You look like such a hippie, Derek.
Hippies. I don't like hippies.
He straightened his hair.
What?
Why not?
You like hippies? Elise, you went dressed up like a hippie yesterday.
Don't tell people that.
But you dress up like 80s guys.
Well, I dressed up like 80s. She dressed
Yeah,
up like a
why
hippie.
did you call?
And then Drew dressed up like a 90s man, so we were representing.
We went 70s, 80s, 90s. Just think of what 2000 has to offer us.
Shattering the edges.
Ready?
Never going back.
We could have probably asked Tyler.
See, it sounds like I'm stepping a lot, but you can see there.
Okay.
It's not much at all.
You know who represented 2000?
Who?
Tyler.
That's what I was gonna say. Poor Tyler. He's probably so weirded out by us.
We should go back because he won't recognize me now.
He'll be like, I remember, but at the same time.
Forget.
I hope he sees this video. Tyler.
Isaac.
He mentioned
Let me see
me.
your yearbook.
Alright, it's not quite as cool as the previous
Do you want this yearbook dabble in the background?
Lacey, though.
No.
Me, you, us.
Yeah,
Terrible thing.
Me,
I know.
That's like just bad grammar.
Me, you,
Me.
all of us included.
Me, you, we.
Us, all of us, you. They, them, together, us.
Why weren't you on yearbooks?
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, there's cool pictures.
I would have said, ready, set, graduate.
1, 2, 3. Graduate.
Didn't we make one that said ready, set, graduate?
I don't know.
Mark's
Nicole,
didn't
will you
have-
let me style your hair
Danny's was very
someday?
Did Danny do that one, Derek? Wait, sorry, Lisa. What did you say?
Will you let me style your hair one day?
Please, every day.
Steelers.
I bought some curly stuff so we can do it curly.
Did you?
When in
They
doubt,
really will look
keep-
at it. They're so short.
No, it would look so cute.
At least my nose itches.
You can hit your nose.
Yeah, it's Danny. We all know.
It's just like Elise to do it.
And we got it on camera. Double true.
I used to see
I
her
think
so
they'll really
long
appreciate
there.
that.
You guys don't get like the uniform, like the.
Next year they have to wear tuxes.
They do?
But
Yeah.
what?
Your eyes are too beautiful.
Why?
Especially for the viewers.
Here, I'll
They would
do
make
zoom
up.
in. Extreme
I should
close up
start-
on your
I should start wearing,
eye.
like really bright lipstick
Twinkie.
So like blue eyeshadow maybe?
Jordan,
and like huge earrings and bows, lots of bows.
Delightful bows.
Make sure your fingernails are always painted in pink, preferably. You never know.
Sometimes yellow would be appropriate
That's
as
true.
well.
So okay, then you gotta help with something. I love that. I am.
Oh, Nicole, I filmed that. That's so embarrassing.
Oh,
Stop! Stop!
I'm still filming.
I love that.
All I
I
know
don't really
Wait.
understand.
Wait, they said I love lamb?
I know.
Oh, I'm good.
Somebody said that?
is that from the Great Little History?
It's from this movie.
I love lamb.
Yeah, it's in his yearbook. Miri wrote that on her wall. Don't mention that on your hair video.
Oh, what? I mean, Susan, it's your husband's.
My name's not Susan. Who are you talking to? She's delusional now that her hair is gone.
I'm very not myself.
What if?
She's all disoriented.
Every minute counts. Yeah, why would they do that?
Everybody had such long hair.
Oh.
Come on now.
Cool.
Slow pan out.
Jordan,
Nicole, what song would you want to play while your movie shows?
No, but I have classes starting up.
How about
Crazy.
yes?
Patsy Cline.
You are so
Crazy.
I remember when. I remember when.
zoom.
No, you'd sing. I love my hair. Really, it is pleasant to the touch. I toss my hair a bit too much. It simply sits.
Sits.
I make a part. I'm not that smart. Da 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 da.
I like this one.
Do 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 diddle 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 diddle. Don't say that.
Why not?
Enough said.
About to go wow.
It's gonna be fun. Oh, we can make it so puffy. It'll be cute.
Oh well.
Wrong. Wrong. Girls are cut. And boys